Hey everybody, this is BandLab working with the recorder and dropping in on certain sections. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to record a little bit of this song and show you how you can drop in where you left off if you're having trouble recording all in one take. What do I do now? I messed up. First thing you're going to do is you're going to grab the part that was the mess up. So it's about right here. Am I right? So we're going to put our cursor at the spot where we mess up. We're going to go here and hit slice at playhead. And what this does is it allows it to detach. And now I'm going to hit my delete button or my backspace button. And now that is gone. What you're going to do now is you're going to put your cursor right where it is. You're not going to move it. It's actually in a great spot. And we're going to go to count off duration on this button here and click 2 measures. And we're going to hit the word record. I squeaked. So number 1, let's check what we did. Did we come in right? It looks like BandLab didn't like our take, so we're actually going to have to do that one again. Sometimes that happens, and occasionally you'll have to redo a take because it drops in a little bit too close. I guess the moral of the story there is make sure you come in on a phrase. I think I may have come in halfway through a little mini phrase. So I'm going to put my recording tab right here. In the gap, I'm going to slice at playhead, delete this one, kind of wrap my brain around where we're at here. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, and let's put our recorder right here, and let's record over that. So again, we're going to be doing the second measure right here. It's probably very common for a lot of you guys to miss that. At this point, you can stop watching the video if you understand the concept, but let's see if we can't fix that final phrase just for funsies. Looks as if we've got some spacing errors here. Look at how far away those waveforms are. Let's see what that sounds like. Sounds better. Sounds okay. All together. Okay, so we'll drop in right there. So we're going to slice at playhead, hit the word delete, and see if we can't get that happening. Okay, this last measure, da, 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 da. You can hit spacebar to play it. Okay, it sounds like our track is slightly behind. Maybe a matter of just pulling this over some and lining it up. Let's try that. Cool. So you can tell that many times I'm having to drag this audio left and right because BandLab just isn't super friendly. There is a way to do a latency test. It'll help your computer line up with BandLab. I'm not sure exactly how it works every time, and I think you have to do it every time you're in the program. So if you're getting tired of moving your audio back and forth, the latency test may help you, but I'm not positive it's going to solve all your problems. So in the end, I haven't found it to be perfect. So it's just a matter of like, just drag the audio. Okay, that's all I got for you. Hope you guys have fun with this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.